To begin, determine the height of the supply outlet box. A normal height is 36 inches to 42 inches from the finished floor to the bottom of the box. If using a fire-rated MODA box, slide the large metal bracket onto the side of the box that will be attached to the stud. Then, insert the L bracket through the slots at the top of the box with an upward-facing right angle. This step is not needed for standard or gas supply boxes. If using more than one box, clip them together. Align the box with the measurement on the stud. Then, using the provided screws, secure the outlet box to the studs. Solvent cement the drain pipe into the box hub. This step is not needed for gas supply boxes. Next, for standard and fire-rated MODA boxes, solvent weld the P-trap. Now, secure the water or gas lines into the valve bodies. Turn on the water or gas to check for leaks before you install drywall. For gas MODA boxes, use Hercules Mega Bubble. For standard and fire-rated MODA boxes, run the water through the drain. Connect the water supply and drain hose from the appliance or fixture to the outlet box valves. Once all the connections have been tightened, run or cycle the appliance while checking for leaks.